Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with a Rogers modem blinking orange in 2025, you're in the right place. This issue can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often fixable with a few simple steps. First off, let's talk about what that blinking orange light means. Typically, it indicates a problem with your internet connection, like a signal interruption, hardware glitch, or even a service outage from Rogers. It might mean your modem isn't getting a stable signal from the provider, so let's dive into troubleshooting. Step 1. Start with the basics. Make sure all your cables are securely plugged in. Sometimes, a loose coaxial or power cable is the culprit. Give everything a gentle wiggle and ensure it's tight. If that doesn't do the trick, move on to step 2. Restart your modem. Unplug it from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This can reset any temporary glitches and often resolves the issue. Next, check for any service outages. Head over to the Rogers website or app and look for updates in your area. If there's a widespread problem, you might just have to wait it out. If everything seems fine on their end, try step 4, a factory reset. But be cautious. This will erase your custom settings, so only do this as a last resort. To reset, find the reset button on your modem, press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash. If you're still seeing that orange blink, it's time to contact Rogers support. They can run diagnostics remotely or guide you through more advanced fixes. Remember, keeping your modem's firmware updated can prevent these issues in the future, so check for updates in your modem's settings menu. There you have it. Quick and easy ways to tackle that blinking orange light. I hope this helps get you back online in no time. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.